Hey Coral Springs, it's Dr. Maan. It's about March, it's 2021. The last year has been crazy with the pandemic. Just wanted to let everybody know that we're still following protocols that the CDC has put in place to help protect you and protect everyone around in the community, and we're following those here in the office. So I just want to give you a little walkthrough of what we're still doing. We've been doing this now for the past year, and we're going to continue to do it to keep you guys safe. So when we're coming in, we're recommending that everybody still wears their face masks. That way we can limit exposure, and especially for the elderly that are coming into our office as well, to help protect them while some of them are getting vaccinated and so forth. When we're coming into the office, we're going to be following some steps. So I want to show you with Mr. Jordan, who works in our office, to show what we're doing in order to help you guys out with everything. Come on in. Do you want to come on in? So once we enter, we have Marlene here that's going to be screening all the patients when they're coming in. So we're going to be quickly just checking your temperature. Once the temperature is checked and the patient has a normal temperature, we'll go ahead and have them fill out a form, screening questions to make sure that they don't have any symptoms or exhibiting any symptoms of COVID. Afterwards, we're going to have the patient here go ahead and wash their hands in the bathroom with soap and water. Our restroom is supplied with antibacterial soap. It is cleaned on a regular basis. After the patient has washed their hands and been thoroughly screened, then we'll escort them back in order to start their treatment. Here, as you can see, Dr. Martinez is here waiting for the patient to come in. The table has already been cleaned after its last use, but to ensure its cleanliness, it is cleaned again prior to the use to make sure things are safe. Dr. Martinez has a disinfectant that has been shown to kill viruses and certain bacteria. We do this before and after to ensure for your safety. For additional protection, we have a disposable face cover that we use, so that way when you're laying face down, your face is protected. So for the treatment, we will have the patient lay face down, making sure that their face goes directly into the face cover, so that way the doctor can examine him. Once the treatment has completed, the patient gets up off the table, and one of the staff members will go ahead and remove the disposable cover. The patient is then escorted out, and the sanitation process begins. So as you can see in our office, we're taking precautions in order to protect you and your family during our care here. Dr. Martinez and I are making sure that the office is being cleaned on a regular basis. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number here is 954-225-4007. Information will be provided in the comment section below. Make it a great day, Coral Springs.